Hey folks, I'm going to explain to you what a test T is on a water meter, what's the correct test T, and why it's there. This is a typical meter, what we call a meter setup. You have your main valve for the water service line, you have your meter inlet valve, you have your meter outlet valve, you have a test T. You'll notice there's no threads on this test T, and that's the only legal type of test T. You cannot use a threaded test T. Why? Because if you screw a hose on it, and maybe that hose is laying in a bucket of dirty water, if there's a break in the street or back pressure, that dirty water will get sucked back into the public water supply. So you never can have the ability to screw anything onto a test T. Now, why do you have a test T? As its name implies, it's a way to test the water meter that it's operating and reading water properly. So if you technically wanted to test your water meter, you would get a 5-gallon pail that has measurements on it. That's the 5-gallon mark, right? You would turn off the valve leading into the house. That way there's no water can be being used in the house, because that would throw the reading off. You fill the pail up 3 times. 3 times. Before you fill it up, you take an exact reading on your water meter. When you fill up the pail 3 times, that's 15 gallons. 15 gallons is 2 cubic feet of water. So if your water meter registered 2 cubic feet, you know that your water meter is functioning exactly properly, and you won't be subject to maybe additional charges on your water bill because it's not reading properly. And that's it. I hope that helped you out there.